Nifty is clearly seen struggling to capitalize on its last 2 weeks' bounce. Blame it on profit booking. Rising bets for a more aggressive policy easing by the Federal Reserve is however likely to keep downside limited. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty's bullish traders are likely to be in a wait-and-see mode ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy decision on 17 September. The ongoing bullish theme could get choppy if 1. The Federal Reserve cuts interest rate cuts at 25 bps as expected. Technically, Nifty needs to close above 25155 mark for confirmation of strength. The Gyan Mantra, stay bullish. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1269 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1933 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive bullish consolidation play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.40 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, spiked higher towards 88.23. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.00. Nifty outlook. Nifty risk-on theme is likely to prevail after Trump says China talks going well. Nifty, CMP to 5069. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,911 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,000 and 25,200. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 81785. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,217 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,482 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,508 to 500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54888. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 55,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,400 and 55,400. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Well, Nifty is likely to trade calmly ahead of the critical FOMC meeting outcome this 17 September. The bullish case would be if the Fed cuts rates by 50 basis points. However, some caution is likely to prevail as sentiments are hit after reports that Trump has urged the EU to impose tariffs of up to 100% on Indian and Chinese goods. Long story short, the running of bulls is likely to continue with aggressive intermonth targets at Nifty to 5670 mark, high as on 30th June. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, -1. 2% in Monday's trade, slipped after the United States Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, issued a Form 483 with 5 observations at its Hyderabad plant inspection. 2. Shares of railway-related companies Ercon International, plus 6.59%, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL, plus 2.61%, RITES, plus 2.70%, Jupiter Wagons, JWL, plus 2.45%, Titagarh Rail Systems, plus 2.24%, Indian Railway Finance Corporation, IRFC, and Railtel Corporation of India, plus 6.7%. Traded amid heavy volumes.